Hi everyone, I am back again today to do another nail video with some decals, and it's not going to be a very long one and I won't do a lot of talking. Basically it's just some plant decals. These are monstera leaves. I've just did the first one off screen just to sort of get some idea about what I was going to do. So it has the green polish and the reflective glitter top coat over the top of that, and as you can see, two big monstera leaves, and I will just go ahead and show you what I do with the rest of them. And I won't talk because basically it's pretty self-explanatory. So what I've done with my nails first is I've put some longer tips on and I just used some builder gel to fill them in. So I'll be popping these nails off straight after the video. So I hope you enjoy it. If you are a plant lover like me, you might get some inspiration from it. If not, I've got plenty more videos coming up. Thanks guys. Quickly, I just wanted to show you a Sistico option if you are interested in doing these nails with Sistico. It's just the emerald green, and the rest of the nails I will be painting with Nude polish. And for Sistico people, I guess you would just use your bare nail and have a base coat on for this and then a top coat. But yeah, this could be done with either or.